Hi everyone, today I'll be doing a squishy collection, so let's get started. This is my first squishy and it's a unicorn donut thing. The next one is a unicorn. My third one is this type of squishy. It's really squishy, you can open it and stuff, and it's really fluffy. Next I have this small ice cream with a keyring. Then I have this bun, laughing emoji. And then I have this other bun, this kissing emoji, a peach squishy, strawberry, but the head came off. No, the top part, I mean. Then I have this watermelon. It smells really nice and it has a keyring. Banana, pineapple, bear, a blue bear, this rabbit, ice lolly, and I also have this donut, and I have this broken ice cream. It's really old. And this last one, and I think it's the koala. So these were all of my squishies. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.